Na jeho působení právě tam. Pozor na tu střelu a je to tyč. No to by byl tedy fantastický vstup z pohledu hostů do tohoto zápasu. Matějovský se dostal kovat jak v obrané řadě, tak v té záložní. Teď zasáhl poměrně nešťastně a otevřel šanci pro Chramostu. Mareš, Mebrachtu. Vypálil, je to první gol! Tak jsem se moc nepmýlil, když jsem říkal, že nastupuje obávané útočné do domácích Chramosta.
No, nevýhoda pro Jablonec je, že hrotoví útočníci nemají stabilní formu. Wagner skvěle začal, dal 4 branky, ale ty jeho výkony měly postupně klesající tendenci.
Mebrachtu, to je pravý opak a je to 1-0 pro Mladou Boleslav. Krásná individuální akce Golgola Mebrachtu, útočníka, který když hrával v Austrálii, tak zrovna rozhodně jsou schopni se hlavou prosadit. Teď ale Tetech o míč přišel a dopředu se žene Fabián, 3 proti 2. Balon dostává Mebrachtu a nebyl v offsideu, Mebrachtu v šanci a je to 3-0 pro Mladou Boleslav. Třetí příchod do České ligy v historii.
Stál v přepočtu 73 milionů korun. Teď už je pozor na tuhle šanci Mebrachtu. V souboji. A zase na druhou stranu Mebrachtu. Ale Holek si pohlídal jeho vyskočení. Tohle není offside. Chramosta může pokračovat dál. Ještě Mebrachtu a je to gól, je vyrůst.
With every ounce of my blood, with every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal. However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though, but I'm never the same.
Unstoppable, unpoppable thought bubbles, untoppable thoughts, fucking juggernaut that'll stomp you in the verse. Obstacles I'm drawn to them when they're going hot. Love some of what I done fought, it was the worst. Little sissy, who the fuck taught you how to persevere? There ain't no situation that you ever had to respond to that's adverse. Messiest thing you've ever gone through is your purse. Yeah, I don't try like hell, then I might as well hang it up like a shell. Gotta keep wrong, but it evolve, cause you can keep throwing shit at the wall, but you're gonna find that nothing's gonna stick until you apply yourself. Time to slip in that zone till I find myself inside the realm of the unknown and boldly go in the waters where nobody else has gone before or willing to go uncharted. Feeling it so calm, I'm feeling myself. I'm a giant sometimes. I gotta remind myself that I am phenomenal.
With every ounce of my blood, with every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal. However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me.
Soupeř zvládl, třetího už nikoli a hledí se příležitost Luka Miloviče.
the meaner side of me. They took away the prophet's dream for a prophet on the street. Now she's stronger than you know. A heart of steel starts to grow. All his life he's been told he'll be nothing when he's old. All the kicks and all the blows, he won't ever let it show. 'Cause he's stronger than you know. A heart of steel starts to grow. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been struggling to make things right. That's how a superhero learns to fly. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been working every day and night. That's how a superhero learns to fly. All the hurt, all the lies, all the tears that they cry. When the moment is just right, you see fire in their eyes. 'Cause he's stronger than you know. A heart of steel starts to grow. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been struggling to make things right. That's how a superhero learns to fly. When you've been fighting for it all.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
You cast a spell on me. You hit me like the sky fell on me, and I decided you look well on me. So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me. Turn the lights out now I'll take you by the hand you another drink it if you